mechanism, respiration mechanism.
Timer, siapa yang jadi timer? Andi mungkin boleh.
Ini.
Boleh.
Sekarang ya?
Dia boleh.
Sekarang ya, Pak?
Okay.
Bismillah.
Okay, good morning, students.
Morning.
Okay, are you all feeling well today?
I am
I'm
good.
No, why, Audi?
I'm feeling sad. I'm late.
Oh, late? You are late? Why?
Kesiangan.
Oh, kesiangan. Okay.
Oh.
Okay, but anyone else is good, right?
Yeah.
Oh, sleepy? Why you are so sleepy? Okay, that's okay. That's okay. Because we're going to do a fun activity today. So I need all of you to be excited for today. Okay? Okay. So, but firstly, who is absent today, or everyone present for today?
Are you absent today, Miss?
Are you absent for today? Okay. Thank you, Andy. Okay. Bolos?
Yeah,
Okay,
Miss.
oh my god. Okay. So, before we start our lesson, maybe let's pray together. Sunny, can you lead the prayer maybe?
Okay, before we
Okay.
start, let us pray together. Please begin.
Okay.
Finish.
Okay, thank you, Sunny. Okay, now we're going to learn about an activity that we do every second. Can anyone guess what is that?
Reading.
Breathing, yeah. Good, Sunny. Yeah, we do breathing every second, right? Yeah. Okay, so.
Oh, thank you.
All right. Yesterday we talked about the organ of a respiratory system, right? Anyone still remember the organs? Nose, Audi, right? The other?
Lungs.
Lungs. Tuh. Nadifa maybe? Forget? Anyone can help Nadifa maybe?
The heart, Miss.
Heart? Heart, it's not the organs of the
Oh,
respiratory
it's not,
system.
Miss.
Maybe habis nose, di sini apa? Ada apa?
Tenggorokan.
Tenggorokan. Laring atau faring?
Faring.
Kalau faring di sistem cernaan, betul. Kalau di respiratory system berarti laring, betul. Okay, good. So the organs of the respiratory system is, the first is nose, and then the larynx, and bronchioles, and the last one is lungs tadi ya yang Sani bilang. Okay, good. So today we're going to learn about, wait sebentar, mana ya presentationnya? Okay.
Miss, Sunny doing homework, Miss.
Aduh, Sani.
I'm not doing homework.
Can you keep the other things for this lesson, please? Okay. Okay, thank you, Sani. Let's keep our lesson, ya. So today we were going to learn about the respiratory system, and ini bisa dibesarkan. Sebentar. Nah, okay, respiratory mechanism. Jadi karena kemarin telah membahas mengenai organ-organ, hari ini kita akan membahas bagaimana how those organs work for our breathing. Okay? Okay, so the learning objective for this topic, there are two learning objectives. The first is understanding the mechanism of inspiration and expiration, and the second is you can identifying the differences between chest breathing and abdominal breathing. What is the chest breathing and abdominal breathing? Anyone know?
Chest is dada, Miss.
Yes, right, Sunny. Abdominal? Perut, yes, betul. Tapi nanti hari ini kita akan mempelajari perbedaan di antara keduanya. Oke? Oke. Oke. But to get more excited, I want you all to stand up first, please. Okay, so I will play a video and you you must follow the video, the movement in the video. Okay. Oh, maybe it will be fun. Okay.
But you cannot be lazy.
Okay, make Nadifa, come on Nadifa. Biar gak ngantuk, ayo berdiri dulu. Okay. Maybe you can make the space with your friends agar tidak terlalu mepet. Okay. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay. Just follow this instruction of in this video, okay? Okay.
No.
Okay, say hi. Semua say hi. Okay. Terus berarti masih terus ya sampai instruction selanjutnya. Okay, you can walk. Okay, maybe faster. Okay, get dressed and get ready. And you can swing like gitu. Okay. Okay, are you okay? You are a cat. Like gini. It's not kicau mania. It's not kicau mania. Okay, please attention, please.
I'm meow meow. Meow meow.
What's wrong?
No, I don't want to jump.
Okay.
Well,
Okay. Okay, finish. Yeah, you can sit down again. Jangan, nanti nggak belajar kita. Okay, how do you feel guys after? Tired? You are tired?
yeah.
Now, how you feel? Do you feel your breathing is faster than before?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay.
So faster.
So faster. Okay. Okay. You can. Boleh miss. Okay. Let's next for more faster. Okay. Your breathing is more faster, right, than before. Coba deh look at your chest movement, chest movement. How does it moves?
It's up and down.
Up and down, right? So that means you are You're breathing, yeah, ambil nafas. Right, betul.
Yes.
So, let's back to the PowerPoint. Okay. Okay, so what is breathing? Breathing is the process of inhaling and exhaling respiratory air. So when you inspiration, you inhaling the air, and when you expiration, you exhaling the air. Nah, when you When you breathe, some parts of your respiratory organs can move, right? Can move, and that's why the air can go in and go out from your lungs, yeah, lungs from your nose, okay? Nah, next dulu, there are two types of breathing yang tadi sudah dibahas di learning objective. There are chest breathing and abdominal breathing. So, when you do the chest breathing, you use the intercostal muscles. What is the intercostal muscles? What do you think, guys? From this picture. Kurang tepat, belum tepat. Rib muscles. Yeah, maybe, but the muscles name is intercostal. Intercostal. Nah, intercostal muscles itu adalah muscles yang berada di antara ribs dan lungs. Jadi ini ribsnya, lungsnya di sini, jadi ototnya ada di dalam, gitu. Nah, when you do chest breathing, the muscles yang kalian gunakan itu adalah intercostal. Oke, dan Yang kedua itu adalah abdominal breathing. When you do abdominal breathing, so you use the diaphragm muscles. Diaphragm muscles yang mana? Ada yang tahu? Below, ya benar, below the lungs ya. Okay, so the difference between chest breathing and abdominal breathing is just in the musclesnya gitu. Jadi kalau yang chest breathing menggunakan tadi apa? Intercostal muscles, and the abdominal breathing using the. Okay, that's the differences between chest breathing and abdominal breathing. Okay, so how all of this can work when you do inspiration and expiration? Yeah, okay. You will learn the detail by making the lungs model. You will making these models. Okay. So I will split you into 2 groups. Maybe you will be group 1, and maybe you will be group 2. Okay? It's okay? Just do. Okay. Okay. So you will make the lungs model with Sani and Andy. Okay. Attention please. Okay. Okay. Apa? No, just. Okay, just. Oke, tenang semuanya, nggak apa-apa ya. Jadi biar ini lebih dekat, jadi biar lebih mudah. Oke? It's okay? Okay. So you will make the lungs model with the bottles and the balloons and other things. I will give you this one. Ini juga. Pegang. Ini untuk kelompok 1 dan ini untuk kelompok 2. Nah, and the other things, but it's just one ininya, lakbannya. Jadi nanti kalian share ya. Mungkin dari grup 1 dulu, nanti di itu. And I will give you a worksheet with instruction, and you have to answer the question on it too. Okay, so, and to understand the mechanism of inspiration and expiration, you can scan the references in the worksheet too. Yang di belakang boleh dilihat. Nanti diikuti saja instruksinya. Lalu at the end we will doing the presentation. Okay, we will discuss it together. Okay, so I will give you maybe 5 or until 7. Is it enough?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so I will set the timer from my handphone. The 7 minutes, yeah. 7 minutes. You can start right now.
Yes.
Okay.
Like this, Miss.
Yeah, betul, Nadifa. Just follow the instruction from your worksheet. Okay. Oh ya. Nah, jadi ini kalian potong gitu, kalian potong, terus kalian giniin. Tapi ini posisi kayak gini, posisinya kayak gitu. Jadi ntar bisa ditarik. Yes, betul. Nah, ini dia plastik, the plastic for present diaphragma. Ini mungkin you can cut the plastic first, jadi biar tidak terlalu panjang.
Okay, hold it or
Yeah. And you can give the lakban.
the solatif
Yeah, the solatif.
will use where? Okay, mata.
In the plastic. On the plastic. Okay. Okay, don't forget to answer this question ya, Nadifa.
Diva, you do the question.
Okay, boleh. Okay. Gantian. Ya,
I borrow a pen.
boleh. Kamu tidak bawa? Kamu nggak bawa? Temannya ada yang bisa pinjemin? Nadifa.
Miss, is it art?
Ya. Make it full ya. Make it full. Oh, maybe ini dia harus bisa ditarik gitu ya. Jadi, oke. Jadi
I can answer.
yes, yeah, like
Is
this.
that okay or is it terlalu dalam?
Maybe it's too much a bit. A bit. Nah, ya. Oke.
Pull downward.
Can I have the lakban?
What is it? This is the reference.
Wait, honey.
Mana tadi ya?
Gave us the book.
No.
Can I? Yes, you want to play.
Yeah. Oh, thank you. Oh, open it. Open it.
Yes, can I? Can.
Yes, you can. You can.
Thank you.
Yeah. Is it everything okay, Andy and Shinda? Yeah. You can look the balloons is ngembang when you pull the plastic. Yeah, when you pull the balloon is yeah, increase ngembang gitu ya. Okay, don't forget to answer the question. Because you
want to answer the question, Miss.
why, Shinda? You just do the models and you can answer this question.
What happened to the balloon when the rubber at the bottom is
Yes.
downward?
Yes. You presentation based on your answer in this question. Yeah.
This portion
Why? Oh, infection. Coba.
Well, sedikit sih.
Well, sedikit, but maybe ada kayak kamu bisa lakban sampai bawah maybe. Jadi kayak sampai full gitu. Gitu. Jadi dia biar udaranya tuh cuman main di sini aja. Ya, gitu. Ya. Kok berat? Okay, the time is 2 menit lagi nih. 2 menit lagi. Explanation. Coba. Is that any wrong with your work?
That's the question.
So what, Nadima? You just do the interaction with your model and you can answer the question. And
I think the balloon is working.
okay, it's working, right? Okay. No, just put pull and nah gitu, tarik mendorong aja. Iya, jadi karena kita fokusnya nanti di muscle diaphragm muscles-nya gitu. Iya. Okay. 1 minute again, guys. Guys, the time is 1 minute again. So prepare your presentation, please. Okay. Hmm? Inspiration. Yeah, inspiration.
And what happens to the balance when
The ribs? You sure the ribs?
Oh, it's getting smaller.
Yes, this is the ribs. But in this model, you can just see the lungs, right? Not the ribs. The ribs,
Oh, I
it
see.
still stay.
Oh,
Yeah.
Which part of the model represent the lungs? Which one
the
is the lung?
inspiration,
Mm-hmm.
inspiration,
Mhm.
the lungs,
Which one is the lung?
Yeah, just mengembang gitu.
Yes.
Ya. Bahasa Inggrisnya dorong apa sih? Ya, full.
the
Lung.
lung
Mhm.
is in
Iya, ekspirasi betul. Ekspirasi betul. Jadi dia keluar. Kalau kalian coba pas kalian dorong itu keluar udara dari sini. Oke. Ya kan? Oke. Okay, have you finished, guys?
One more, miss.
One more? Okay. What about group 2? Huh?
the rubber. We have to just put and downward the rubber, or just
Oh, no, just like this aja. Terus yang mainin gini. mainin ininya aja.
So
The rubber is
how
in
to
this.
just it's the rubber?
Oh, I'm sorry. Ini harusnya itu plastik. Jadi maksudnya itu kalau di worksheet ini dia itu pakai rubber. Jadi dia pakai karet.
Oh ini
Ya, ini pengganti karet.
kalau misalkan dia pull downward, dia ininya tuh dia
Akan
lebih
mengembang, iya
Kalau
gitu.
misalkan di push, dia akan mengempis.
Gitu. Oke.
Miss.
Oke.
So what's the answer of number 1?
Okay. Okay, we will do discuss in front of the class. So just keep your answer.
Stop it.
Okay.
So satisfied. Yeah.
Ini satisfying. Ini ya, maybe. Okay, since our time almost up, let's move to the presentation. Anyone can give explanation in front of the class? Maybe just one group, yeah, just one group. Group 1 or group 2?
Group 2, please.
Group
Okay, that's okay. We are ready.
Okay, give applause to group 2. Okay.
Hold this. And then
Okay, let's wait.
So Andy,
And then
just
Okay, but wait.
yeah,
Before you presentation, I wanna ask you some question to all of you. Okay, can I borrow this one? Okay, so the straw in this model, the straw represent as what? What organs? La- di bawahnya laring? Straw? Bronchioles maybe, ya. Bronchioles or trachea juga bisa. Jadi di sini trachea, di bawahnya bronchioles. Jadi lebih ke arah saluran pernafasannya gitulah ya, sebelum before lungs. Okay. Yeah. Okay. And what about the balloons? Represent as lungs. Okay. And the bottle represent as?
our body.
Oh no. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Andi right. So this is the ribs. Our ribs. Okay. Yeah, inside. Okay, just this is just ribs and inside of the ribs ada lungs-nya. Nah, kalau plastiknya represent as diaphragm. Okay, so this model just represent what the type of the breathing, chest breathing or abdominal breathing. Abdominal breathing. Okay, but apa namanya? Untuk proses inspirasi dan ekspirasinya keduanya itu sama, tapi yang berbeda hanya tadi apa? Otot yang digunakan saja. Oke, sip. Oke, you can start the presentation, Andy.
thank you, Miss.
Oke.
So for the first question, what happens to the balloon when the rubber at the bottom is pulled downward? Please, Andy. Okay, when we pull downward, the lungs is
The lung is inspiration.
yes, that's inspiration process.
Okay,
And then
that's
when
inspiration
we
process.
push upward,
Oke.
then you can
Feel the
nah,
air
yeah, okay. The air is
coming out.
coming out,
Mhm.
and then this is the expiration process.
Oke.
And for the third question, which part of the model represent the lung diagram and ribs? The answer has
Same with Miss.
yeah,
Oke.
has answer by Miss Zafira. The lungs are
The lungs are the balloon, and the ribs is the bottle here, and the diaphragm is the plastic.
Oke.
okay. For the last question, for this activity, explain the process of inhalation and exhalation in your own words.
Okay, so when we are breathing with abdominal breathing, first is inspiration is diaphragm is
Ya. Apa itu?
tertarik ke bawah.
Tertarik ke bawah.
And the ribs is relaksasi.
Oke.
And when we are expiration, the ribs will mengembang, the lung
Ribs
will
batu.
mengempis. Iya, lungnya akan mengempis and udara akan keluar. Jadi
Oke.
seperti
Oke. Enough?
enough, Miss.
Enough. Okay. Does anyone wanna give some addition maybe?
I'm good.
I'm good. You good? Okay. Thank you, Sinda and Andi. Give applause to group 2. Okay, but maybe can I borrow your models? Okay. Maybe I wanna give some addition. Tadi sudah benar yang dijelaskan oleh Sandi dan Shinda. Mungkin saya akan memberikan sedikit tambahan saja. Jadi di sini tadi kalian sudah membuat model ini. Nah, ketika tadi Andi bilang inspirasi, maka diafragmanya ke bawah. Nah, ke bawah itu relaksasi atau kontraksi? Kontraksi, right? Oke, contraction. Nah, jadi ketika kontraksi, maka tadi yang terjadi pada balon apa? Ya, bigger, become bigger, ya kan? Nah, artinya kalau balonnya lebih mengembang, apa yang terjadi dalam balonnya? Volumenya naik atau turun? Naik. Nah, kalau misalnya dalam balonnya itu volumenya naik, maka volume yang di luar balonnya dia otomatis lebih kecil ya, lebih rendah gitu. Nah, kemudian ketika volume the lungs-nya itu naik, nah berarti tekanan yang ada di dalam paru-parunya itu tinggi atau rendah? Tinggi atau rendah? Rendah, kenapa? Tidak salah, tapi belum menjawab. Ada yang lain? Oke, coba bayangin ada 10 orang, dia dimasukkan ke dalam satu ruangan yang sempit. Oke. Ya, maybe like lift. Oke, 10 orang dimasukin ke lift dan bandingkan dengan 10 orang yang ada di kelas ini. Kira-kira lebih berdesakan yang mana? Lift. Oke, jadi semakin karena di lift itu lebih berdesakan, jadi dia tekanannya lebih tinggi gitu. Jadi karena dia lebih kecil, ya kan, karena di ruangnya itu kan semakin ruang di luar paru-paru itu lebih kecil ya tadi ya, karena paru-paru mengembang. Nah, berarti dia tekanan lebih tinggi daripada paru-parunya. Sedangkan tekanan di paru-parunya menjadi lebih rendah. Nah, karena lebih rendah nih, misalnya teman-teman ada di satu ruangan, 10 ruangan, bisa nggak satu orang tambah masuk? Masih bisa. Oke, nah begitu juga dengan paru-paru kita. Jadi udara bisa masuk karena tekanan di dalam paru-paru rendah. Nah, the difference between inspiration and expiration itu hanya kebalikannya saja kalau misalnya ekspirasi. Jadi ekspirasi nanti diafragmanya dia relaksasi, berarti kemudian semuanya ke atasnya itu kebalikannya dari inspirasi. Oke, do you understand? Okay, so before we end this meeting, maybe I wanna give you 2 questions, just quick question. Okay, you just choose true or false. Okay, to the question. Okay, the first question. Okay, you can read first the sentence. Okay, anyone can try to answer. Okay, during the inspiration phase of chest breathing. Okay, Sunny.
It's false.
Okay, right, false ya. Harusnya?
True.
Harusnya. Kalau misalnya inspirasi berarti ya kontraksi. Okay, good, Sunny. Okay, the last one. The next question. The air pressure in the lungs is lower than the ambient air pressure during the expiration. Tadi yang sudah dijelaskan.
False.
False, Andi?
Yes, miss.
Another answer? Tekanan di dalam paru-paru lebih rendah ketika ekspirasi. Ekspirasi.
No, I think it's false.
Yes.
Maybe opposite.
Okay. Okay, good everyone for today. So I think quite for today's lessons. I hope this lesson was useful for you and you keep spirit for the next lesson. Thank you for today. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you, Miss.
Ya udah duduk.
Okay, thank you, Zafira. Let's sit in front of the class and we will
pulpen.
heard the comments, feedbacks from observer first. Who is the observer?
Me.
Oke, Sinda.
Alright. Thank you, Zafira, for this for today performance. So excited to participate in this micro teaching. Today we have tiga nilai.
Iya.
We have to observe: basic question, advanced question, and reinforcement. For reinforcement, I think all is good, and
Okay.
you give the reinforcement very well.
Okay.
And when your student doesn't have the right question, kamu bisa kasih ke yang lain gitu. Jadi
Oke.
kurang tepat terus kasih ke yang lain. That is good sebelum kita langsung jawab. Terus untuk yang pertanyaan mungkin aku masih belum bisa bedain antara yang dari lots ke hots. Tapi dari flow-nya itu udah enak, jadi kayak tidak seperti ada sekat-sekat gitu pada saat bertanya. Terus tadi juga udah ada jeda dari setiap pertanyaannya. Lalu untuk pertanyaannya secara sistematis dari C1 sampai C6 mungkin ini belum ya. Karena di sini ada pertanyaan disampaikan secara sistematis sesuai dengan urutan berpikir. Apakah maksudnya dari awal pembukaan sampai akhir itu maksudnya C1 sampai C6 berarti
Ada bertingkat, walaupun mungkin tidak sampai C6 pun, mostly sih jarang yang sampai C6, tapi ada misal analysis and giving a solution is like evaluation kan ya, yang mungkin seperti itu.
Okay, thank you Miss. Maybe ini perbaikan untuk semuanya mungkin ya, karena aku juga baru mengetahui untuk tingkatannya dari awal sampai akhir. Lalu untuk klarifikasi dari jawaban siswa itu sudah terklarifikasi. Lalu pertanyaan untuk diberikan merangsang aktif untuk berinteraksi itu sangat merangsang. Terus tadi juga pada saat bertanya setiap grup bisa di handle dengan baik pada saat siswanya tuh salah konsep itu atau salah paham tadi pas aku sama Andi. Itu dari Zafiranya sendiri bisa menjelaskan dengan baik. Terus pertanyaan yang diajukan juga sesuai dengan pokok materinya. Lalu tadi pertanyaannya dari yang luas. Terus kalau misalkan siswanya belum bisa menjawab yang itu diturunin lagi ke yang lebih spesifik. Terus dan pertanyaannya ditujukan oleh seluruh siswa itu sudah terlaksana dengan baik. Terus dari Zafiranya sendiri pada saat memberikan reinforcement itu tidak hanya kayak kata-kata aja, tapi dari ekspresi kamu dan gerakan tubuhnya juga mendukung untuk itu. Lalu mungkin ini juga bagus ya, pas di awal itu sempat kita itu hampir kayak mau keluar dari topik kayak pas di awal banget. Itu kan topiknya non formal ya. Nah tapi kamu bisa kayak ngalihin, today kita belajar ini dulu gitu. Dan menurut aku itu jadi poin yang bagus sih. Mungkin sudah Miss.
Okay, thank you,
Thank you,
Sinda,
Sinda.
for the comments. And
lagi
Iya.
ini, nah itu belum terlalu tampak.
Iya.
Tapi tadi waktu sudah lumayan bagus itu waktu prosesnya.
Oke.
Ya. Terus closing ya biasalah, tidak terlalu ada yang surprise sih buat saya, ya sudah dilakukan gitu as regular gitu tampilannya. Tadi waktu presentasi, do you make a type of reinforcement nggak waktu presentasi siswa?
Iya,
Ada ya?
ada. Setelahnya saya luruskan kembali gitu.
Conclusion juga tadi.
Kayaknya conclusion
Mimis
agak
ya?
kelewat deh. Iya. heeh.
Tuh. Maka nanti
Gitu.
itu tidak ada yang
Habis presentasi langsung saya tutup soalnya Mem, kayak
iya,
tadi.
iya, langsung ditutup gitu. Karena masih ada 2 menit itu sebenarnya. 2 menit. Nanti
1
ada
menit ya tadi.
20 detik.
Iya.
Ya, tadi conclusion unit ke conclusion. Ya, tapi
Oke, Miss.
cukup berhasil to make discuss a kind of apa ya, enjoy ya, dalam percobaan ini. Ya. Tapi reinforcement how the media works
Iya, udah tadi.
Sudah ya?
Setelah presentasi. Iya.
ini sebagai apa?
Iya.
Sebagai sudah tadi ya?
Sudah, Miss. Sudah, Mem.
Oke, dari saya cukup deh. Terima kasih Bu Daniel.
Thank you, Mem Fanti, for the comment.
Okay, thank you for the feedback. Yeah, panas banget. Thank you for the feedback, Prof. And Farah, congratulations for your second attempt today. Yeah. How it feels? How was it? Than your previous, your last performance?
Lebih lumayan sedikit lebih enjoy sih.
Okay.
Iya.
Yeah. I agree with that. Yeah, because the last performance you not really confident, yeah, with yourself. But
Yeah.
today I think you look more confident with the performance itself and with the communication, yeah. But while you communicate with your friends and the students in here, I think you a little bit more enjoy your performance. So I don't know what you do, yeah, behind this scene, behind this day, but I think that's I think you improve a lot. Yeah, improve a lot. Looks more confidence. The flow of the class feels good too. Like we maybe ya masih mungkin ada beberapa yang harus tetap diperbaiki, tapi flow-nya sudah mulai enak gitu ya dari awal sampai akhir. Okay. I appreciate you trying to make your student motivate with the apa ya, brainstorming. Itu apa sih namanya? Ice breaking.
Oh
Sorry.
ya, ice
Ice
breaking.
breaking ya at the beginning. But maybe you need to apa ya, mungkin urutannya. Ya tadi yang pertama sudah habis bertanya kabar gitu ya. And after that you already told about the
Recall ya. Recall.
recalling,
Yeah,
recalling about the
Organs.
organs.
Respiratory.
Yeah, you already asked your student the apa namanya, respiratory system, itu kan ya.
Iya.
Terus apa lagi tadi ya? Saya beberapa. But after that you give the ice breaking. The ice breaking itself berperan sebagai apa?
Sebenarnya kalau di saya sebagai kayak stimulation gitu, Miss. Jadi kan saya di Discovery Learning ya. Nah, di stimulation itu maksudnya biar mereka merasakan, setelah itu mereka kayak menyadari kalau mereka tuh bernafas lebih cepat gitu. Jadi biar lebih mudah terobservasi gitu kalau mereka nafas dan ada gerakan.
Oke.
Gitu, Miss.
Kalau demikian sebenarnya harus agak kurang klop dengan temanya.
Oh,
Ya,
oke.
because you in here will explain about the chest and diaphragm apa bacanya? Diaphragma.
Diafragma maksudnya.
Diaphragm.
Diaphragma.
Diaphragma ya, tetap ya, diaphragma
nggak ngembang yang banget gitu karena kan cuma ditarik gini doang jadi dia
Harusnya ngembang. Ada
Harusnya
yang
ngembang.
salah kah dari
Ketutupan plastik kayak
jadi kayak nggak
ketutupan plastiknya
mungkin karena agak tinggi gitu ya.
iya
Harus dilihat dari dekat.
tapi tadi
bukan
dapat
ketutupan, tapi memang bahannya salah. Udah lihat yang
Apa ya?
modelnya belum?
ada
Harusnya rubber.
ada yang bawahnya balon sebenarnya Miss pakai
Betul, memang harusnya balon.
Itu apa tadi?
Plastik.
Plastik.
Tadi saya agak bingung dikasih itu ya, kok nggak ada balon di bawahnya? Karena diafragma tuh kan padat ya, gitu. Jadi kalau plastik, kecuali plastiknya sampai di dan elastis, kan strukturnya harus elastis tapi padat gitu. Jadi kalau plastik tidak mewakili struktur dari dia. Jadi hati-hati memodifikasi alat ya. You need to know the main function of that things ya first, and biasanya alat peraga itu memang memiripkan struktur dasarnya dari organnya gitu. Jadi kenapa sih harus balon gitu ya? Karena balon bisa mengembang mengempis tanpa lengket, sama seperti paru-paru. Gitu. Kenapa di bawahnya juga harus balon? Karena mirip strukturnya, ibaratnya kita bisa bilang mirip struktur diafragma gitu ya. Jadi elastis tapi apa namanya, tidak tadi ya padat ya gitu, karena kan dia otot. Jadi sayang banget gitu, karena satu plastiknya juga menutupi ininya, menutupi ribsnya ya, jadi nggak kelihatan balonnya. Kemudian ngembang kempisnya jadi nggak maksimal gitu, karena harusnya dia kan kalau balon kan jadi bener-bener kesedot ya. Nah mekanismenya kenapa bisa demikian tadi juga hati-hati ya menerangkannya gitu. Volume dan juga apa tadi, tekanan udara sudah betul sebenarnya, tapi hati-hati saja memberikan contoh gitu. Misalnya kayak tadi orang masuk ke dalam lift, ini gimana ya contohnya?
10 orang masuk ke dalam lift dibandingkan dengan 10 orang yang ada di kelas gitu, ruangan yang lebih besar. Jadi kalau misalnya di lift itu kan dia ruangnya lebih sempit ya, jadi tekanannya lebih tinggi gitu. Kalau misalnya semakin kecil ruangannya gitu
Semakin kecil ruangannya,
ya,
tekanannya itu tekanan apa maksudnya?
maksudnya kayak berdesakan gitu. Jadi kayak kan kalau misalnya ya tekanan udaranya kalau misalnya di paru-parunya itu
Ya,
kalau
karena agak terlalu jauh contohnya sebenarnya ya. Takutnya ada anak yang berpikir kenapa jadi tekanan tinggi, kan justru di dalam liftnya tekanan udaranya siapa nih? Tekanan udara si orangnya atau tekanan udara di dalam liftnya atau bagaimana gitu. Jadi perlu hati-hati memberikan contoh analogi ya, atau bisa saja langsung ingat nggak hukum fisika ya, hukum tekanan itu
laptopnya pakai punya kamu sih, enggak? Laptopnya bisa pakai punya kamu.
Yes, betul.
Ya, pakai apa?
Don't forget design and very trouble. Nanti boleh bantu
Oh iya.
sampai
Pencet yang
pojok kanan bawah.
ini.
Oke, 30.
Sini aja.
Kok nggak bisa nih? Dipencet angkanya kan yang iya, ini nggak nambah.
Apa ada yang dipencet sebelum itu?
Enggak, aku tadi pencet ini doang.
Oh, tadi coba sebentar.
Ready?
Hello student, good morning.
Morning,
What are you feeling today?
Good.
Good.
Good
Sleepy.
enough, Miss.
Okay, for Audi and Nadifa, do you want to go to the toilet before our classes?
Yeah, you can.
Yes, you can.
Izin ya, Miss.
Yeah, because you're so sleepy, right?
Iya.
Alright. Alright, for today class, is there anyone who is absent, sick, or has permission?
Yes,
Aryo.
Miss. Aryo.
Aryo.
Send.
Aryo have the, is he absent, sick?
Absent, Miss.
His
Sick?
Yes.
Alright. Zafira, please give me the keterangan Aryo nanti untuk keterangan sicknya, okay?
Oke, siap, Miss.
Before we start our today lesson, please Hani, you may lead the prayer.
Okay, before we start our class, let's pray together. Pray begin.
Finish.
Oke.
Yes, okay, right. It's so long for Nadifa and Audi. I want to check your uniform and ready to learn today.
Yeah, I'm ready
Yes,
to
Miss.
learn.
I'm ready.
Okay, but maybe before we start our lesson today, please stand up.
Okay.
Are you guys have wearing proper uniform?
I wear proper uniform.
Okay, right. So you may sit.
Okay.
Maybe all the things that in your desk can put in your bag. Okay, just put the pen, book, and handphone on your desk. Sun, you want?
Can I
To-
use laptop because I am digital?
Learner.
Thank you.
Okay.
Digital
How about the
learner.
handphone?
I don't like it, it's too small.
Okay, just use the one digital platform. Okay.
Okay, I'll put it away.
You want to wait your friends or just we may go to see the video.
I think start it, Miss. It's
Start.
okay.
Alright, this is the 5 meetings we learned about digestive system. The previous meeting we learned about the organs, the function, and the process about digestive system. But I forgot to give you the video about how the process and how to visualize the process of digestive system. So maybe today we will see the video and you can just understand how how food can how food process in our body and how they absorb and anything, because we are every day we are eat, right?
Yeah,
Yes,
we
right.
eat
So
Every time.
every time.
every
So
time.
do you know our food digest our food?
I know.
How, Sunny?
We kunyah the food first,
Oh iya, betul.
and
lanjut.
then it swallow into our stomach.
Yeah, okay. Thank you, Sunny, for your answer. But maybe before we start and next our lesson, and Nadifa and Audi, please stand up first, and I will check your uniform.
Stand up,
up,
Nadifa.
Okay. Do you wearing the proper uniform, right? And ready
Yes.
to learn?
Yes.
Yay, ready to
Thank
learn.
you.
We can next for the lesson. Okay, I talked about the previous meeting. This is the last meeting about digestive system. And the previous meeting, we learned about the concept from the organs, the function, and the process. Um, how our body can digest the food or drink that we are consuming. But I didn't visualize with the video. And today we will see the video how the food digests, how food and drink that our consume can digest to our body. Alright. From the picture, can you see what is this?
Sushi.
Sushi?
No, the left side one, isn't it?
Okay.
Like it represents the food, right?
You just say, oh, it's teeth, you know.
No, not the teeth, the left one.
Okay, that's
Yeah,
okay.
ew.
That's okay, Sunny. How about the organs?
Mouth.
Mouth, right? Mouth is part of digestive
Organ.
Yes, digestive organs. So when our body digests our food, it starts from mouth. After that, you may you still remind what the organs after mouth.
Faring. Kerongkongan.
Yes.
Thank
Thank you, Andi. Esophagus. After that,
Stomach.
yes, Audi. You maybe we can see with the video and you can understand better about the digestive system organ.
Traveled from the mouth to the stomach via the esophagus. A ride that will take about 5 to 8 seconds.
Jadi kita
The
makanannya
first
ya.
small
Iya, kita makanannya. Like I said, it's the
muscular
food.
force that
It's the
propels
sushi.
food through the digestive tract.
Pay attention.
It almost looks like an ocean wave pushing food from one organ to the next. When food reaches the end of your esophagus, a ring-like muscle called the lower esophageal sphincter relaxes and lets the food pass into your stomach. Weakness of the sphincter causes a backflux of stomach acid and heartburn. The stomach is where the real action begins. Digestive juices and enzymes break down the food that you swallowed. This helps make nutrients available for absorption later in the small intestine. The digestive juices are powerful hydrochloric acids that kill pathogens in food and gives the stomach the low pH digestive enzymes need. This acid could literally dissolve most of the other organs in your body. Luckily, your stomach contains a thick mucus lining. However, when there's too much acid in the stomach, it can eat away the inner surface of the stomach, causing an ulcer. The process of digestion takes longer for some types of food than others. Simple carbohydrates, such as an energy drink, break down the fastest. This explains why many recommend energy drinks for a quick energy boost. Proteins take longer to digest, and fats take the longest absorbed into your bloodstream. As peristalsis continues, the waste products of the digestive process move into the large intestine. The large intestine is named for the diameter of the cavity, not for its length. It is actually much shorter than the small intestine. Its role is to absorb any extra water from the digested material before it is finally excreted. If food passes through too quickly, too little water is absorbed, and you might have diarrhea. If it passes too slowly, your body absorbs too much water, and you may become constipated. It takes about 30 hours for food to move through the large intestine.
Ew.
All in all, the whole process
That's
from the
a
time you
poop.
swallow food
But
to the
it's
time it
our
leaves your body as
everyday
feces
thing.
takes about 2 to 4 days.
Our body just drinks
Solid waste is characteristically brown and stinky. Do you know what causes its odor? If you guessed that bacteria are involved, you'd be right. Microbes that reside in the large intestine make a meal of the leftovers from the small intestine. The smell associated with stool comes from the gases released by bacteria. The large intestine then empties its contents into the rectum. Its job is to let you know that there is a stool to be evacuated, and to hold the stool until the evacuation happens.
Well,
Thank you for watching this video. If you want to learn more about how our heart or lungs work, please take a look at my next video.
Okay. How about the video?
Yeah, it's so detailed.
It's so detailed. Are you
detail.
more understand about digestive system? Like
Yes.
visualize?
Yeah.
Do you want to learn something new from the video? Yes?
Maybe the peristaltic.
The peristaltic movement?
Yes.
You get the point? Okay, anyone?
I think in the stomach the pH is very low
Yes.
and it could like merusak organ lain, but because the stomach has mucus.
Yes.
Yeah, so it doesn't hurt the stomach.
Okay. This is linked with our material about the stomach. That's pH is low, and the function is with chemical function to break down our food, right?
Mm.
And to making the food is free for the contain bacteria.
Mm.
And then maybe Zafira, you have another opinion?
Maybe I mention about the makromolecule ya, kayak karbohidrat,
Yes.
protein, and lemak diproses. Jadi kalau yang karbohidrat itu lebih cepat diprosesnya.
Yes.
Protein di tengah-tengah, sama tadi yang lemak itu lama diprosesnya. Gitu.
Good point. Audi, how your opinion about the video?
Don't look at me, answer it.
Are you paying attention for the video?
Audi.
Oh.
He didn't pay attention, miss.
Okay, maybe Audi, you can think before I asking you. Maybe Nadifa, how about your opinion?
I am with Andrew about peristaltic.
Are you paying attention with my video?
Just little sleepy.
Okay,
No,
it's okay.
Nadifa.
Sorry, miss.
That's okay. Maybe before next our material, let me give you the conclusion with the video. The video is present and give us the overview on how digestive system digest our food. Come from mouth, the organ from mouth, and then the stomach, and then large intestine, small intestine, large intestine, and then there we have pancreas, and then we have anus for defecation. From early start, our food digest from our mouth, and then and the mechanism called mechanic process, and we have also in the mouth we have like saliva, and the saliva had chemical mechanism to break down our food. So bisa coba pura-pura mengunyah. Apakah salivanya mulai ke bawah?
Iya.
Yes. Then this process will akan terjadi pada saat kita mengunyah makanan. Atau kalau misalkan kita mengunyah makan terlalu lama, salivanya akan menumpuk. What is the function of saliva?
To break down the glucose.
Yes, to complex glucose to simple
glucose.
And after that, the food will enter the esophagus. And then in esophagus we have what Andi say?
Peristaltic.
Movement, the peristaltic movement. And then after the esophagus, the food enter our stomach. With our stomach, on there we have chemical mechanism and mechanic mechanism. And after that, the food enter the large intestine. On large intestine, we have main absorption to absorb the glucose, to absorb the protein and the lipid. And then after that, the waste of our food can enter our large intestine to absorb the water, and then will out of our body by the anus and called defecation. Okay, have you ever felt this condition?
Yes. Sometimes.
Okay, when you uncomfortable with your stomach, you ever felt?
Yeah.
Did you know the reason you have this condition?
Eating spicy food maybe.
Spicy food, maybe. Yes, maybe another.
When I forgot to eat.
Oh yeah, okay. And
Oh yeah, I think.
Don't forget to eat.
Zafira, okay. And far too much, maybe.
Yes.
Eat too much vegetable.
Oh, right.
Really?
Do you know the reason? Do you know the specific reason?
Maybe for
Because of the food?
Because of the food, maybe, yes. But how the food can make this situation or make this condition?
Our stomach, maybe. Lambungnya.
Okay, maybe the function of our organs that can run normally, right?
Yes.
Can you guess what our topic for today?
This is.
This is?
No.
Right. This is.
Yeah.
We will
Okay.
learn about the disease and abnormalities
Okay.
condition on digestive system. But for today, the activities on group. For the first, you will fill the worksheet and then do the discussion and presenting about the conclusion. I will divide it and then the rules. I will divide it into two groups. Nadifa, Audi, and Sani may be group A, and Andi and Zafira may be group B. And then after that, the worksheet. In this worksheet, you have the instruction, and then you have the material, the full material in here, and then also we have the problem, the example of disease of digestive system, and then the next you can see all the question, and then you may put your answer on this worksheet and choose one of the representative or from your group to present. Do you understand?
Understand, Miss.
Okay. And for the duration, you have just 5 minutes. You can open your handphone and you can search many literature to combine all the writers' opinion and give the conclusion.
Nadima give the paper to us too.
Yes. You can work together.
Miss,
Yes.
can I borrow pen?
She only does a gray pen. In the last meeting, she also doesn't have
And
pen.
you borrow the pen?
No, I have my own pen.
You just write on that book. Yeah.
Okay.
Right
okay.
there. Oh, what's that?
Just focus on the worksheet.
Yes, yes.
Maybe Sani or Audi, you help borrow your pen. You borrow your pen?
Yes, I do. Or just. Oh no, I don't.
Okay, please now. I will give the instruction. Are you
Where's my pen?
understand about the instruction?
Yes.
This is the rules, and then
okay.
this is the view of our digestive organ, and then this is the function. But this is the problem that mind our activities.
Oh, I see.
This is the problem, and this is the question that you have to answer. The answer is so simple. You can just put the inti dari jawabannya di sini. Terus if you didn't understand about from the material, you can scan this website on this book.
Okay.
Just 4 minutes.
Okay, you don't have pen? What are the pen? Oh, no. Coba baca the question first. The pen. No, pen.
Okay, thank you, girl. Thank you. What's the organ problem? Andy, are you sick?
Student, please pay attention with the time, yes?
Okay,
Just 3 minutes.
He likes to drink milk every morning. However, after the intake, he is often experiencing
Dia
so
lama
much
ipar
pain.
orang.
Oh yeah, kebiasaan minum susu, bloating, and diarrhea. At first, Andy thought it was food poisoning, but the symptoms appear almost every time he drinks milk. Next day, reported cheeks or face cream. After consulting a doctor, Andy was diagnosed with lactose intolerance. You true. A doctor explained that his body doesn't produce enough lactase, an enzyme needed to break down lactose, the sugar found in milk. Because the lactose is not properly digested in the small intestine, it passes into the large intestine where bacteria ferment and produce gas, causing discomfort.
I see.
So the problem is in its small intestine, right?
Ya, karena nggak bisa diserap.
Yeah, because the lactose is not properly digested in the small intestine, it passes into the large intestine where bacteria ferment it and produce.
Iya,
It passes into the
iya kan
large
usus besar ada bakteri kan yang menyerap air itu, tapi dia malah makan kayak fermentasi gitu. Jadinya
Yeah, berarti di large intestine berarti ya.
problemnya.
Yes.
No, I
Just
think
put
it's small.
the answer.
Okay, I think it's small.
No.
Iya, bestie.
Because the lactose is not properly sorry berarti small intestine.
The organs involve small intestine because lactose digestion normally occurs
the front. Yay!
Okay, and
Yes.
yes.
Bye-bye.
Okay, from the first, maybe Andy, you can give your question.
So the first question is, what are the organ that impact from the problem? I think the organ is small intestine because lack of enzyme lactase. And what the main cause of the problem? I think lactase is not enough in the small intestine, so it causes lactose intolerance. And how the problem link with the digestive system? I think because the lactase is not enough, so it cannot break the sugar from milk.
Alright.
And how can we prevent the disease? I remember there is a drug to help to people who have lactose intolerant. I don't know the drug's name, but I think that's it for me. Means
Okay, now maybe Odi.
Okay, our answers for this question is the organ that impacted are small and large intestine. What the main cause of the problem? Because he has a lactose intolerance, because lactose-nya can the dairy can digest in the small intestine because it doesn't have a lactose enzyme. How the problem link with the digestive system? Because lactose is not properly broken down, so the undigested lactose travels to the large intestine and cause the uncomfortable disease. And how can we prevent the disease? He has to limiting the food that containing dairy and consuming lactose-free dairy products.
Okay, thank you, Odi. Odi just completed the ND answer, and ND answer just can give all the answer from dari semua pertanyaan dijawab oleh Andi dengan sangat baik, lalu dilengkapi sama jawabannya dari kelompok Audi. Yuba, can sit down.
thank you.
Okay, student, I will give conclusion for this meeting. And from the question, all the answer is answered very well. But maybe I will give additional reason why we feel uncomfortable when we have intolerant in lactose, because when our small intestine can break down the lactose from the milk, the lactose will enter the large intestine, and on large intestine we have many bacteria that will consume our lactose, and then the bacteria can produce the gas, and the gas that will feel bloated. Alright, understand? Okay. All the answer from this topic and from the problem is very well. From the organ, right, the small intestine, and then the main cause is lactose intolerant, and then the problem linked with digestive system because the lactose can break down from the small intestine. And how we can prevent the disease? Untuk menghindari mengonsumsi minuman yang punya laktosa, dan juga to consume the lactose supplement, the lactose supplement. Okay, the evaluation from this meeting I will give you in the WhatsApp group, and you can doing the evaluation. The deadline is today, and that's okay. It's easy, and maybe all the 5 meetings for digestive system is wrapped up. Thank you so much for all your understanding and all your attention. See you on the next meeting. Thank you, students.
Thank you. Oh.
Okay, thank you, Sinda. Next, please, Osopher. Maybe you can give your feedback.
Okay, thank you so much, Sinda. You did very well for
Thank you.
this second micro teaching. Kalau secara urut maybe buat opening and closing itu udah bagus banget, karena opening itu tadi ada attendance list, attendance checking, terus ada uniform checking biar siswanya ready. Terus tadi sempet kayak misalkan I think di Nadif dibuat ngantuk gitu ya, terus suruh cuci muka gitu. Itu juga I think a very good check for readiness gitu. Terus abis itu ada recallnya juga, kayak kemarin udah belajar apa. Terus I think agak gimana ya, kayak bagus gitu loh, natural, kayak oh ya Miss forgot kemarin nunjukin video, jadi gimana kalau kita nonton videonya dulu biar inget kemarin. Itu I think very good. Terus lanjut ke intinya, I think ini problem based learning ya?
Iya.
Oke. Dikira tuh awalnya mau
Lecture.
iya, antara mau lecture atau discovery, karena problem base-nya itu di tengah-tengah banget gitu.
I forgot about the duration. Okay.
Jadi pas awal-awal nunjukin video itu I thought it was one of the step main agenda gitu loh. Oh iya, kita mau nonton tentang video ini, tapi terus I realize kalau ternyata itu bagian dari oh ya saya lupa kemarin mau nunjukin ini. Jadi kan supposedly ini kan continuation dari meeting kemarin kan. Jadi baru startnya itu after video kan.
Iya.
Jadi itu I think terlalu lama. Kalau I think I suggest mendingan ya udah video itu masukin aja di meeting ketiga gitu as stimulation gitu. Jadi nggak usah dibilangin kalau kayak kemarin kita lupa nonton nih teman-teman. Jadi mendingan ya udah ini salah satu video yang emang buat agenda sekarang gitu I think, karena terlalu lama. Terus iya tadi ada beberapa banyak part yang lecture banget. Sebenarnya nggak apa-apa sih kalau untuk kayak emphasize, kayak misalkan dijawab gitu, terus habis itu kayak di-emphasize oh iya betul, but I think to make it clear gini I think it's okay. Cuman bagian lecture partnya itu bisa dijadiin pertanyaan gitu loh, jadi kayak ditanya dulu baru dilengkapin, jadi nggak langsung di-explain by lecturing itu. Terus tapi reinforcementnya bagus buat yang jawab-jawab tadi, dibilang good, well done gitu, bagus. Terus juga yang kurang-kurang itu kayaknya nggak pernah dibilang incorrect atau kayak I think you're wrong, itu kayaknya nggak pernah, selalu bilang kayak are you sure. Terus kayak bilang anyone else have different opinion, jadi itu bagus untuk ngajak yang lain answer the question gitu. Terus I think kalau misalkan mungkin karena waktunya terbatas kali ya, tapi mungkin problem based learning kan tentang disease itu cocok banget ya, dan banyak banget disease pencernaan. Jadi I think daripada at each group itu have same question, paling enggak beda question, kayak misalkan satu apa gitu, ini like a learn. Jadi pas presentasi yang bisa sama-sama belajar gitu. Jadi kalau siswanya lebih banyak problemnya, lebih banyak disease-nya, lebih learning-nya lebih meaningful gitu, lebih explore banyak lagi problemnya. Tapi untuk basic questioning skill-nya itu dapat karena selalu ditanyain hal-hal kecil, tapi mungkin yang advance-nya itu tadi kurang sedikit lebih dieksplor lagi I think, especially karena topiknya tentang penyakit, itu bisa dibuat lebih kritis lagi gitu. Terus I think it's not really important, but for me it's kind of like bothering me. I'm sorry,
Yes.
Sinda.
Okay.
It's about the English. Sometimes I couldn't really get what you're trying to say.
Oh, okay, alright.
Sometimes, not every time, but it did bother me a little bit karena I want to try what you wanna say, like I want to try understanding you, but sometimes I'm kind of like confused gitu. Maybe it's either the pronunciation atau di grammar gitu. Kayak one thing that I write in here itu tadi kamu sempat bilang, do you remind our last meeting? I think you wanna say, do you remember our last meeting gitu. Like it's just small things, but I feel like it's kind of like different meaning for me gitu. I think that's it. But overall bagus banget, closingnya ada evaluationnya juga, ada conclusionnya. I think that's it. Thank you Sinda, you did well.
Thank you Sani.
Okay, thank you, Sunny, for your feedback. Move to Natalie.
Okay, thank you, Bu Dania. Okay, congratulations ya for Sinda. I think all the points that Sam has recommends is
Yes.
already complete ya. Okay, so Sami
detail.
sangat apa namanya teliti gitu ya memeriksa point to point. But about the time, ini how many minutes that you take for the video that actually that is the last meeting ya?
Iya.
Itu berapa menit ya?
In my planning, the video is the video and pembukaan itu semuanya pokoknya 10 menit. Tapi tiba-tiba tadi aku baru realize kalau misalkan udah 15 menit lagi, nah
Iya,
itu langsung
iya.
kayak
Iya.
oh ini bakalan kurang
Okay.
gitu.
So at last, the topic for today is about the what is it?
Disease and
Disease, yeah.
abnormalities.
Abnormalities. Disease. How many kinds of disease that you have already explained or discussed? Intolerant lactosa and then
Yeah, intolerant lactosa for the problem base in di tengah apa yang benar-benar diupas itu. Yang dibahas itu hanya satu. Cuma tadi sebelumnya di awal tuh sempat ada juga untuk memperkenalkan tentang abnormalitasnya itu satu, itu juga beda. Sama tadi di akhir di conclusionnya membahas lagi gitu. Tapi memang yang dibahas dibahas secara jelas itu hanya satu man.
yeah. That is what I want to make underline here that we just only discuss one kind of disease. This is not disease actually ya. Intolerant lactosa what is actually the name? Are you sure that intolerant lactosa is a disease? Atau kalau ada bahasa yang lain apa? Gangguan ya?
Gangguan
Itu apa? Bukan.
abnormalitasnya
Kalau disease kan penyakit ya.
abnormalitas. Iya.
Kelainan. Abnormalities abnormal. Oke. Itu saya tulisnya gangguan sih. Kalau tulisannya gangguan. Jadi itu only discuss one kind of disease gitu ya. Yang sebelumnya how many disease or abnormalities there is on the worksheet actually? How many? What other kind?
Just
They have already discussed.
just one.
That's what.
Yes.
Oh, I see. Okay. Actually, if you don't take the video in the beginning, actually we can discuss more than one. This is I think.
Yes.
Okay. This is my comment. Mungkin what is the way if we have got something? I think it's no problem to put it in the next meeting. But be sure that you don't take it too long and then you have to make it the time limitation jadi terbatas waktu untuk pelajaran itu kan. Itu aja sih harus dimanage aja waktunya. Kalau kelupaan gitu. Ya, nggak apa-apa sih minggu depan. Atau just leave it or you can ask the student to look at themselves gitu juga. Ya, atau di screen atau this is a video that you can see and then you can learn in the real teaching and
Iya, Mas.
karena kita selalu tapi jangan mengganggu
Pembelajaran intinya.
the actual time jangan sampai terganggu ya. For all the points there I think satu hal mungkin Sinta nih a calm teacher ya yang tenang gitu dia hanya nggak ngalir gitu jadi that is the good point for you ya tapi kadang-kadang you may express yourself deh kayak kelihatan gembiranya apa
Oh iya.
jadi tenang gitu bagus sih kita jadi siswa tuh nggak tenang tegas gitu ya tapi tetap ada senyumnya juga ya oke I think that's all.
Thank you, ma'am.
Sama-sama.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. And happy for the feedback. Yeah, Sinda, congratulations for your performance. This is the second attempt. Yeah, I think you already improved several things. But yeah, there are still several things to like you need
Improve.
to improve to be better than before. First, maybe time management, yeah. Like I don't know, this is questions in the beginning. Is it the main apa namanya? Apakah itu pertemuan utamanya, or it is still a perception, recalling, bagaimana sih Mbak?
Sebetulnya aku set plan-nya tuh 10 menit, Miss. 10 menit emang buat awal gitu. Karena tadinya ini kan semuanya tuh 5 meetings ya. Tapi aku bawanya tuh materi yang terakhir. Disease sama abnormalities kan selalu di akhir ya, di akhir bab kalau misalkan di sistem gitu. Nah, karena takutnya nggak atau lupa atau nggak paham gitu sama previous meetingnya, jadi aku put the video yang menjelaskan the process, whole process, sama aku coba lagi untuk explain gitu. Dan ternyata itu lebih dari 10 menit gitu pas udah dicobain. Dan tadi tentang yang pertanyaan-pertanyaan itu sebenarnya itu out of the plan. Maybe I forgot and I didn't realize about the time gitu. Tapi memang video masuknya di persepsi, Miss.
Persepsi.
Iya.
I think 10 minutes for 30 minutes overall. Too much. Yeah, because maybe for introductions you can 5 minutes ya, 5 menit juga kayaknya ya 5 menit oke lah buat introductions, perception, motivation, and all of the introduction settings ya. And after that you move to the main activities. Ya, because tadi jadi 2 kelompok maju semua kah?
Iya.
Maju semua ya. Saya nggak skip tadi, sorry. Oke, jadi lebih dimaksimalkan di mainnya gitu. Jadi kalau saya tadi jadinya jadi yang lebih kecantol itu adalah materi
Prosesnya.
Iya, the mechanism and process about the digestive system, not the main topic of today's lesson. Yeah, when I read your lesson plan, oh, this is about the
Abnormalities.
abnormalities from the digestive system, so nggak match ya antara yang ter-highlight di pembelajarannya dengan the main learning objective that you must teach to your student gitu. Jadi hati-hati ya, jangan sampai yang kelihatan mungkin kalau punya lebih panjang bisa, tapi karena 30 menit settingannya jangan terlalu banyak recalling ya. Recalling just for
Minggu depan udah
Kayaknya
inter.
inter cuma satu deh.
Iya, jadi minggu
Buat
depan udah
UAS.
inter. Oh,
Kalau plus kan 2 pertemuan ya.
Minggu depan itu
Emang iya. Dan nasional. Masih nasional.
nasional tapi
Minggu depan pokoknya
udah ujian ya?
itu final. Tapi
Final.
final yang nasional dan final yang inter ya kan.
Berarti sekali lagi.
yang inter
Iya.
2 kali bertemu.
Oh,
Sorry, hari ini kan pertemuan
atau yang 3 yang inter.
9 pertemuan 7-8 ya teman-teman.
Ini minggu ke
Ini minggu
8.
ke-8 kan?
Iya.
Iya.
Ada yang jadi
Minggu depan itu masih 9-10 masih nasional.
Nasional.
Skillnya ada leading small group discussion, ada
Itu
juga
masih itu.
kelas kan ya, dua itu. Terus pertemuan 11-12-nya internasional kurikulum merdeka tapi untuk all the
Iya, all things ini maksudnya.
all the eight
Basic
basic skill.
skill.
Terus baru 13-14-nya internasional.
Iya sekali.
Itu udah masuk
Final
ujian ya, Miss?
langsung.
Enggak, ujian final 15-16.
Berarti 6, Miss.
Oh, berarti 6 kali.
6 sama ujian.
Oh. Aku kira yang 4-5 itu ujian, Miss.
Tiga,
Karena 4-5-nya
Kirain ujian.
sampai kan sebelumnya
Berarti 6,
Oh, no,
Miss.
too much.
6.
Berarti sisa pertemuan itu 1 kalinya online gitu.
Iya, kalau mau di minggu depan ya
Oke.
mengajar online ada ini
Mau materi itu kita kan
small group discussion.
oh ya. Nggak apa-apa, nanti kita beli Zoom yang ada breakout room-nya. Kan bisa utilizing itu. Terus
Tapi
kita
emang harus
join-join.
nyobain sih. Kan siapa tahu ada yang online kan di SMA.
Makanya ini Atim minggu depan boleh. Iya,
Karena masih nasional kan?
iya daripada inter ayo.
Kalau saya karena minggu ujian.
Kalau gue agak susah. Soalnya gue tuh mau pakai papan tulis.
Nah, baru minggu depan.
Oh, I mean bisa pakai digital paper test ya. Penting sih, penting. Emak gue tetap ngajar online gara-gara banjir itu.
Berarti
Jadi kayak kita tuh PJJ tuh jadi normal. Recently. Iya.
berarti nasional.
Sebenarnya kita selalu merasakan sih step present.
Guys, berarti nasional 2 kali lagi dan 2 kali lagi nasional.
Yang
internasional
final
1.
sama yang 2 yang belum. Terus habis itu inter baru inter les. Gitu kan? Inter yang biasa, inter yang coba-coba. Baru inter yang final.
Jadi 2 kali nasional.
Jadi finalnya 2 kali juga.
Iya, tetap.
Sama final kan masih 4 kali.
Iya.
Besok kalau besok online 2 minggu online.
Iya, 2 minggu online.
Masih cuma 2
Iya.
skill yang dilihat. Terus minggu depan
Iya, 2
2
skill itu.
minggu setelah 2 minggu itu offline lagi tapi semua
Offline
8
lagi itu yang everything
Semuanya ya.
nasional.
2 minggu depannya lagi yang internasional.
Baru 2 minggu lagi.
Finalnya itu internasional nasional or just national,
You
Miss?
can choose
Oh, nah jadi cuman satu. Oh iya, Miss. Alright.
Oh.
Berarti 4 kali
PJ
lagi.
will think about it later.
Okay, for the next 2 weeks,
Berarti online.
yes,
Ya.
online class ya.
Oke.
Right, how to teach
Ini
with
sih
online class.
digital platformnya harus banyak.
Okay, so please PJ prepare for the Zoom meeting or anything else we need for the online class. Thank you again, thank you Lulu Fanti. We will end this class for today. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you. Thank you. Iya, berarti. Iya, nanti 2 minggu ke depan. Iya, kita materi.
Ask your friends to join also.
Oh iya, bisa kalau online tuh. Ya kan? Kalau online mereka bisa join. Apa? Pen. Nih.
Okay, thank you.
Tungguin aku mau UAS PB ini. Apa ya yang ada di sana ya yang bisa gue comot-comot selama? Oh my god, iya tahu mak gue sekarang juga ini tahu apa bayangan
Rapat bayangan. Iya, aku ambil rapat habis ngajar nggak
Next
bisa.
week,
Next time.
which the
Next
evaluation
online.
Yes.
Jadi
online, tapi we
make sure sudah baik. Oke.
Semoga sudah
kasih
baik.
waktu 2 minggu buat perbaikan.
Benar. Agree, ma'am.
Panas ya kita online.
Agree, ma'am.